If you're seeing the message unusual activity detected from your device in ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually caused by your network, your browser, or a temporary security block, and in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. ChatGPT can sometimes flag VPN traffic as suspicious because your IP address may be changing too often or appear to come from a different region. So if you have a VPN app running, disconnect it completely, then refresh ChatGPT and try signing in again. If you're using a browser extension that acts like a proxy, disable that too. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of people right away. Next, if the warning is still showing, change your network. A quick network switch can give you a fresh IP address, which may be enough to clear the problem. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try using mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also restart your router to get a new connection from your internet provider. In many cases, a new IP can resolve the unusual activity error because the system sees your device differently once the network changes. If that does not work, the next step is to clear your browser data. Over time, cached files and cookies can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause login issues or security warnings inside ChatGPT. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear your cache and cookies. Make sure you select the time range for all time if possible, then restart your browser completely. After that, open ChatGPT again and sign in. This often removes stuck session data that may be triggering the alert. Now, if you still see the same message, the issue may simply be temporary. Sometimes ChatGPT applies a short security block when it detects unusual behavior, and all you need to do is wait a little while before trying again. Give it around 10 to 30 minutes, then return and reload the page. Avoid repeatedly refreshing too many times in a row, because that can sometimes make the block last longer. After waiting, try logging in from a normal network without a VPN and see if the warning disappears. To recap, the best fixes are to turn off your VPN or proxy, switch your network, clear browser cache and cookies, and wait if the block is temporary. Most users will get back into ChatGPT using one of these methods, and you usually do not need to contact support unless the issue keeps happening again and again. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with the next step, like how to fix ChatGPT login problems, account verification issues, or error messages on mobile and desktop.